8 benefits of drinking cucumber water every day. You probably already know that sipping cucumber water is healthier than drinking water alone, but that's not the sole reason you should use it for. In today's video, we'll talk about why you should make cucumber water a part of your daily routine. Not only the benefits, but we will also tell you how to prepare it for maximum benefits. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. So without further delay, here are 8 health benefits of drinking cucumber water every day. 1. It prevents dehydration. Maintaining cellular homeostasis in your body requires adequate hydration. Dry mouth, tiredness, thirst, decreased urine output, headaches, constipation, dry skin, and dizziness are all symptoms of dehydration, as a rapid heartbeat, rapid breathing, sunken eyes, extreme thirst, and delirium in severe cases. It's no surprise that maintaining your ideal body temperature, assisting the removal of toxins, maintain your weight, and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system all require proper hydration. You will feel more energetic and your organs will function better if you are properly hydrated. Cucumber water adds flavor to plain water, encouraging you to drink more frequently and keeping your body hydrated. 2. Extra vitamins and minerals in cucumber water. Water is unquestionably beneficial to your health, but it is not a good source of the essential vitamins you require. Cucumbers are a great way to add vitamins and minerals to your water. Cucumbers are high in vitamin K, molybdenum, pantothenic acid, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin C, copper, manganese, vitamin B1, biotin, and magnesium, among other nutrients. The majority of cucumber water recipes also include a variety of fruits, which add even more antioxidants and vitamins to the mix. Antioxidants are substances that help prevent and delay cell damage caused by free radical oxidative stress. Chronic conditions such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and eye degeneration can all be caused by oxidative stress. Antioxidants have been shown in studies to be able to reverse or prevent this damage. This is why you should eat antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, because these vitamins and minerals are derived from natural foods, such as fruits and vegetables. Your body will have an easier time absorbing and utilizing them than if you drank synthetic vitamin waters or took synthetic supplements. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to hit the like button. 3. It aids in weight loss. When you eat when you're not hungry, you're more likely to gain weight, feel tired, and have irregular eating patterns. However, you may find yourself eating when you are bored, frustrated, sad, or simply thirsty, rather than hungry. Drink a glass of cucumber water if you are hungry before your meal. Because hunger and thirst have similar symptoms, it's possible that you're simply thirsty. When you're hungry but not quite at mealtime, a glass of cucumber water can help you make it to the next meal. Maintaining your weight and maintaining your energy levels can be as simple as not eating when you are not hungry and hydrating when you are thirsty. It's possible that you think you're hungry when you're actually thirsty. How will you be able to tell the difference? First, get a tall glass of cucumber water. You are thirsty if your hunger went away after you finished the drink. You know it's hunger if you're still hungry. So simply switching to cucumber water instead of sugary sodas, sports drinks, and juices can help you cut calories from your diet. 4. It has the potential to aid in the prevention of cancer. Cucumbers may help in the fight against cancer, according to preliminary research. Cucumbers contain antioxidants as well as compounds called cucurbitacins and a group of nutrients called lignans, which may help to protect us from cancer. Phycin, a dietary flavonoid found in cucumbers, was found to help slow the progression of prostate cancer in one study published in the Journal of Cancer Research. Maintaining a healthy, well-balanced, nutrient-dense diet is critical for lowering your cancer risk or aiding in cancer recovery. Cucumber water is high in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, as well as antioxidant flavonoids like quercetin, luteolin, and quinferol, which help your body fight cancer among other things. Cucumbers alone will not cure or protect you from cancer, but their high antioxidant, mineral, vitamin, and water content make them an important part of a healthy diet and lifestyle that will keep you healthy and cancer-free. Cucumber water, when consumed regularly, can aid in the prevention of cancer and other diseases. 5. It aids in the reduction of blood pressure. Too much salt and too little potassium in your diet are two factors that contribute to high blood pressure. Excess salt causes your body to retain fluid, causing your blood pressure to rise. Potassium is an electrolyte that aids in the regulation of sodium retention by the kidney. Potassium is abundant in cucumbers. Cucumber water increases potassium levels in the body, which may help to lower blood pressure. 6. It promotes skin health. Cucumber water has antiseptic properties and can help to soothe your skin from the inside out. Staying hydrated aids in the removal of toxins and the maintenance of a healthy complexion. Cucumbers are also high in pantothenic acid, also known as vitamin B5, which has traditionally been used to treat acne. 1 cup of sliced cucumbers contains about 5% of the daily vitamin B5 requirement. 7. It improves the health of your bones. Vitamin K is abundant in cucumbers. In fact, 1 cup of sliced cucumbers contains roughly 19% of the daily value. Vitamin K aids in the formation of proteins that are required for the formation of healthy bones and tissues, as well as the proper clotting of blood. What better way to get this vitamin than by drinking cool cucumber water? 8. Cucumber water is beneficial to muscles. To build muscle strength, you don't have to be a bodybuilder or a professional athlete. Muscle strength is important for posture, joint health, metabolism, weight, sleep, and mental well-being. As you get older, maintaining an exercise routine that includes muscle-building activities like bodyweight exercises, weightlifting, TRX, HIIT, or CrossFit becomes more important. Cucumber contains silica, which benefits not only your skin, but also your muscle tissues. Cucumber water should be consumed on a daily basis to aid muscle recovery, hydration after exercise, and overall physical health. You can also add lemon and mint to your cucumber water. Lemons and lemon water are already beneficial to your health. They are a natural immune booster, high in antioxidants, and help with detoxification, digestion, and skin radiance. Their high vitamin C content aids iron absorption, preventing anemia and promoting energy production. In water, cucumbers and lemons combine to create a refreshing and cooling effect. Mint adds flavor, chlorophyll, and fiber to the dish. Mint is a well-known digestive aid that is also known for its calming properties. Now that you've learned why you should drink, it's time to get started. You're probably wondering how to make it. The good news is that it's a straightforward procedure that you can incorporate into your daily routine. It only takes a few minutes to get everything ready. Simply slice 1 large cucumber and add it to a jug full of water. Keep the water in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight to allow the flavor and goodness to permeate the water. When kept in the refrigerator, this mixture can be used for 3 days. To enjoy all the benefits of cucumber water, we recommend drinking at least 4 glasses or 1 liter of it per day. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.